How to turn off restricted mode on Android phone or tablet. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually turn off restricted mode on your Android phone or tablet on the YouTube application. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you don't know what restricted mode on YouTube means, it basically means it is going to block some of the contents which YouTube think is not suitable for some younger age groups. So if you want to turn that feature off and then just get all of the contents available on YouTube, you have to go ahead and then simply open up the YouTube application. And as soon as you've opened up YouTube, you can see this is how it is going to look like. What you have to do is on the top right corner, simply tap on your profile picture and then go to settings. And as soon as you go to settings, at the very top again, go to general, and once you go to general, you have to scroll down, and at the very bottom you'll see restricted mode, and you can say it is turned on. If you read there, it also says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So you might as well just want to turn this thing off in order to turn off restricted mode. Now you can come back and then refresh the YouTube application, reload it, and now just like that you have basically turned off restricted mode on YouTube. And this is how you can turn off restricted mode on the YouTube app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.